Okay, so this is my my build for my Jeep Bike Challenge. It is a James Dakota competition steel frame lug bike. I'll give you a close-up later. Today we're just going to do a tear down and clean. And let's go ahead and start with the headset, because that needs to come off. Guys, this is by far my favorite tool, the ASW one. If you don't have one, highly recommend getting one. But alright, let's take up cables. This cable looks to be new too, so someone was doing some work to it, and then it probably got stored away before they finished it. These brakes are actually really nice. I think they're Rigitech Logics. I'm not sure. But those are going to be replaced too. Mainly because I don't have the front ones. Cables even have that whatever you guys want to call this, and here's the cockpit. Give you a better view of that. It does have a 1-inch threadless, which I'm kind of grateful it's a 1-inch, not a 1.5, because that means I could run rigid forks on it without it being a problem. And that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully the forks I have will fit it. It's got the Dior right shifter and XT left shifter, so those are actually pretty cool. I might reuse those, I'm not really sure. This guy's coming off. Put this guy back in. Grease is pretty good on this, guys. Like, someone was doing some, like I said, someone was doing some work to it before it got abandoned. So, alright, so that's off. Obviously the seat post is gonna stay on. Go ahead and take off these. Guys, let me know if you guys think these are. Let me know if you guys think these are. I think these are rigid Logitechs, or a poor imitation of them. I don't know. We'll look into that later. These are not staying, obviously, because like I said, I don't have the matching front, and it'd be nice if I did. definitely need a good cleaning though. Huh. I've never seen them with holes on both sides. Pretty clean that up. Look at this, guys. Like, the chain even has a master link. So I'm not gonna have to break the chain. I just have to two. There we go. Okay, and then the rear derailleur. I was with Elvis when I bought this bike, with this frame. And I paid $10 for it. He goes, bro, what caught your eye? I was like, well, I don't know. DRXT derailleurs and steel lug. That's pretty much. Definitely not the original bolt. Never seen one with the Phillips. All right. So here's one of my big questions. I don't know if I should mess with the BB because it spins really good. So it spins really smooth. And I don't want to take the chance of stripping that, but screw it. I want to clean behind there, so we're gonna take it off. I like using the breaker bar. Let's take the pedals off. Ooh, okay, I got lucky on the pedals. Thought they were going to be completely stuck, but no. Smooth. Go ahead and see the other side now. Alright, nice and smooth with no issues. Once again, I like the breaker bar just because it's, you know, 100% what you're gonna get. You're gonna have the leverage. It's gonna go the way you want, and that's it. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably a tool I use on almost all the bikes. This and my WS1, AW1. I just talked all that good stuff about you and you do that. My fault. There we go. I do have a Park Tool crank puller. Just gonna go ahead and try it there. And then hope for the best. All right, moment of truth, guys. I felt it. All right, here it comes. All right, here it goes. I don't know, I'll show you guys later why it was a good idea to take that off. Okay. Woo. There you go, guys. Let's take off this bottle bracket, this bottle cage. Should be a 3mm. It's not. .5mm. Nope, it was a 3. I was right. Looks like that one might have to stay on because it does not. Oh, that one came off. Okay. Nope. Just stripped the bolt. All right, so that one's gonna stay on for now. I'm gonna leave the cups on for now, and let's go ahead and take off that bottom bracket. All right, remember, this is the bottom bracket tool. It's a Park Tool BBT32, which I'm assuming it's bottom bracket tool, and it's 32 tooth. You can use an adjustable wrench. You can. I like using a 1 1/4 closed end, just because I feel more comfortable. And once you get it in, I come from the front and I go down. So just from the front, once you break it loose, I go to the open end. And then I give it a couple twirls. I don't know if you can see all the dirt falling, but it's pretty dirty. Ooh, you guys gotta see this. You guys have to see this. Let me see if I could. Just a minute. I don't know if you can see how that thing is dirty. So, yeah, that's why I wanted to take it off, because it just looked. Sorry. And yeah, that's why I wanted to take it off, because it looked really, really dirty. Alright. That's pretty much it, guys. Once again, this was $10 the way you guys found it. It's a Prestige MTB chromoly double butted tubing. Alright, so Elvis, if you're wondering why I wanted it, pristine tubing, pristine tang double butted, steel lugged with XT parts. So let's go ahead and all right, let's go ahead and clean out the bottom bracket. Like, that's a lot, guys. It's the bottom bracket. And then what else? This couldn't come off. The cups are gonna stay on for now. I can't find the forks I had. Had a nice pair of Fuji forks. All right, another problem I'm gonna have is once I put the forks in, the thread is not gonna be able to reach. So these are gonna have to go threadless. But, cause why should anything go easy on me? I tried to take off the crown race. I don't have the particular tool for it, and it broke the screwdriver on one of those little gaps. Now I'm gonna have to try and make it work with either this crown race or a different crown race, which, wow, this frame is nice, but this frame's been through some stories. This frame's been through some wars. So all right, actually doesn't look like it's gonna be too bad. Let me see. Has a little gap there, but I think we can make it work, guys. Let me just do a rough installation, see how it's gonna look. And yes, you could put a threaded on a threadless. Just look, I just did. that will work, guys. So let me tighten that up. Let me do a full. Down this guy a little bit. Yeah, there it is. Okay, there it is. So yeah, I'm not happy with it, but it'll work. I was gonna go with a different stem, to be honest with you guys, but I guess I made the decision for me. So that's how she's gonna look.